Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove subtitles in CapCut PC and Mac Updated Easy Guide. So for us to be able to begin, just open CapCut onto your device and then go onto the project where you want to remove a subtitle. So as you can see, I'm currently on CapCut already, and let's click onto this project in here to remove a subtitle. Then once you're in, you should be able to see your clip in here and this orange things or text onto the upper part of this or the subtitles onto your video. So if you want to remove a certain part in, for example, this caption in here, what you could do is to go ahead and simply click onto that. So you could zoom this in to make it bigger, click onto this, right click, and then there should be an option to delete this, and this is also the shortcut key for that. So you could use backspace to go ahead and delete that. So if you want to delete all of the subtitles in there, just go ahead and hold your mouse and drag it across all of the text in here. Right click onto this, and then click on delete or use the shortcut key, which is backspace. And that should remove the subtitles in your video or clip in CapCut PC and Mac. And if you think that this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.